In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change header color in Shopify Dawn theme. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin and how to fully customize the look of your store's header so it matches your brand. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Online Store and click it. This will open the Themes section of your store. At the very top of the themes list, you'll see your current live theme. On that theme, click the button that lets you edit or customize the theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can visually adjust how your store looks. Once the theme editor has loaded, focus again on the left-hand panel. This is where all your sections are listed. Find the section labeled Header and click on it. This will open all the editing and styling options specifically for your header. Scroll until you see the color settings. Under Color, you should see something called Color Scheme, with a drop-down next to it. Click on that drop-down and you'll see several preset options, usually named something like Scheme 1 through Scheme 5. Select one of these schemes to instantly apply a different overall color style to your header. As you click through the different color schemes, look at the live preview on the right side of the screen. This preview updates in real time, so you can see exactly how your header color changes with each scheme you select. Take a moment to compare them and choose the one that feels closest to your brand. If you want more control and need to tweak specific colors inside a chosen scheme, go back to the color scheme dropdown. Next to the scheme you're currently using, you'll see an edit option. Click that. A detailed panel will open where you can customize individual elements, such as the background color, background gradient, text color, solid button background, solid button label, outline button, and even the shadow. Adjust these one by one and keep an eye on the preview so you can see how each change affects the overall look. If you'd like to create a completely new scheme instead of modifying an existing one, click the back button at the top left of the settings panel to return to the main color section. Here you'll see an option labeled Add Scheme. Click this and you can build a brand new color scheme from scratch, choosing all the colors you want for your header. When you're happy with your header colors and everything looks good in the preview, don't forget the final step. Go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. This will apply your new header colors to your live store so your visitors can see the updated design.